Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how React and Django can work together. So for those of you that don't know, React is a JavaScript library. It's a front-end framework, but it can also be used for back-end. And probably most of you who saw my tutorial of the e-commerce website know what Django is. If you don't know, Django is a Python full stack, which means it is front end plus back end framework in Python. Okay, so now let's talk about how these can work together. So our Django is going to be running on this port number 127 dot colon 8000 HTTPS, this port number. And then React is going to be running on localhost 3000 with their on your private IP address. Okay, and your private IP address could be something like 10.0.2 or 3000 or anything. So, so first, what happens is that we create a API in Django, our own API. We build our own API with Django. So for example, if we're creating an e-commerce website, we just, for example, create the API for the products in Django, and then with React, at the front end, we call that API with axios or something, and then you could display all those products getting from this API. So now this runs on a proxy server. So I will have a separate video. So if you don't know what proxy is, I won't talk about that right now. So this is how React and Django can work together. So let me just summarize everything. We create an API with Django, and then we call that API with the React. That's actually pretty much it. And if we're also having like a database such as Postgres, so first what we do is that we just create an API with Django, we call it with React, and then in Django, we connect another API, the database API, and then we call it, then we connect Postgres to Django. And then once we do that, we create an API for connecting Postgres with React also. And then we call that API with React, and then we also get that database in the React project. So this is pretty much how React and Django can work together. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Like the video if it was good, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in another YouTube video.